What's up, YouTube? So today I got these new kidney grills in. There's nothing wrong with these chrome ones. I just wanted to make some kind of change to the car. So I bought the gloss black from Amazon, and it shouldn't be too hard to change. I already started. So basically, the first thing you want to do is this weather strip needs to come off. So it's going to need probably two hands. You pull it up right here from the middle, and then pop from this side and this side, and then it's basically just 3 clips for each side and 4 in the middle. Alright, then leave it to T30. I already started taking out all the bolts. You take all those out. Now you have room to pull it back and get these clips popped out. Now, if you need to see where they are, just take the new grill and match them up. Make sure they're in the same spot. So next, probably just take a screwdriver and probably want to push down on these and then slide them forward, and then that way they start to pop out. And then after you get those top 3 loose, I don't know if I'll be able to or not, but maybe I can get my hand down in there and get the rest of them popped. So let me get these out and I'll get back with you. Alright, so got it out. First one was kind of hard. So pulling this back, there's like no room at all, honestly. And got the first 3 pops like out, and then I tried to get like the bottom, and then the top half popped back in. So what I did was the bottom pops first, pull the bumper out, get the bottom too with your finger if you can. Then I took the screwdriver and I pushed these top tabs in, and then the top and the bottom was loose, and then I kind of just pulled it out and it released that side one. So now for this other side, I can reach to this grill and pop the other 2. So once I get this one popped out, we'll continue. Okay, so after getting both grills out, I decided to clean around where the grill is about to go in, and I realized that this tab was stuck in here and it broke off. But I'm changing the grills, I've got new brackets and everything anyway, so it doesn't exactly matter. And if I do decide to switch back to these chrome ones, I'll probably change these chrome splines out to the black ones. Okay, so to compare chrome, how it was, to the black. Not exactly sure which one I like better yet, but I don't know. You can switch them anytime. So putting them in, just basically line up the tabs just like the factory ones, and they just pop right in. So I'll be right back after I get the other one in. Okay, got both grills in. Now put it back together. Got those 5 Torx bit screws. I believe it's like a T30. Thought I had the socket with the T30, but couldn't find it, so I just used the other thing I found. I don't even know what you'd call this. It's got all the Torx bits on it. So screw these in, then you got your weather strip, which snaps back in, and then that'll be it. So once I finish this, I'll get a full view of the whole car. Last tip, when you're putting the bolts back in, as you tighten them up, you can see there's like rings where the bolts were sitting. just try and get them back in the same spot. That way your bumpers align properly and looks good. But pretty much done. Just gotta snap this in. Start from the outside. Alright, that's back in place. Swap is complete. Let's check it out. Not exactly sure what I think, but it looks pretty normal. So it fits the wheels a little bit better. Need a wash, but take care of that later. Lastly, I'd like to say thanks for watching this video. If you watched the whole thing, please like, subscribe, comment if you feel like you want to say anything. If I have any tips to make my videos better, I'm trying to get this YouTube going good and give me something else to do besides work all the time. Alright, thanks for watching.